What's up, guys? Congratulations on the purchase of your new FX Impact M3. We're going to go ahead and show you what it's like to get started with it. So here we have the hard case that it comes in. We'll unclip that. Awesome. So here we go. Everyone's going to have their own receipt or packing slip. That's going to be unique to your own order. But then we have the shoot chart here. So this is going to show you kind of what you're getting, right? It shows your caliber, shows the feet per second, shows the ammo that we use to tune it. So it's showing kind of what you got here. It's also going to match up serial number to serial number, so you can double check that, make sure everything's good. The name of the technician is also on here, so if you have any questions for him, you can reference that when you call into us. Here's your awesome gun. We're going to show you how to get started, how to fill it, how to load the mag, and kind of do all that. So the first thing you're going to need is air. So we're going to use an air tank to fill up the gun. The process is going to be similar with a hand pump or a compressor. In this case, we're using a tank, so just go ahead and follow along as best you can with it. If you need further help, there will be a video linked in the description below that'll show you exactly how to do it, but we'll go ahead and get started here. There's a dust cap on the bottom of the guns. They just pull right off. From there, you want to go ahead and connect your tank. So that little quick connect, if you have the long one, even better. Clip that onto the Foster fitting on the bottom of the gun. Make sure it snaps into place like that. And while you're filling, you're going to want to watch your max fill pressure on the side of the gun here. So before you get started too, also make sure your bleed valve is tight, or the smaller screw on your tank or compressor, hand pump, whatever you got. Make sure that's tight, make sure this is connected, and then you can start opening the valve on your tank to put air into the gun while you're watching. So just loosen that. And this gun is a 250 bar max fill, so we'll put it right to 250. Right there. And turn the valve off, and then go ahead and bleed the line. That's going to release some air out of it. And once that's drained, then you can disconnect it. So that's all there is. Now you're filled up and ready to go. We can load a mag and get shooting. So we have the magazine here, of course, and some ammo. It'll either be JSB pellets, slugs, whatever your preferred choice was when you purchase it. So we'll go ahead and open this tin of pellets. And open your mag. There's this little black half moon piece on the front. Just go ahead and click that around twice. Pop this clear piece off. And then from there, the first thing you're going to want to do is wind this up. So you'll grab the inside where there's like a point to grab. Spin it all the way around. And your first one is going to drop right where you can see the hole. So either put your finger or the table or something at the back to catch that pellet. It just goes in that first spot right there at the front. From there, start dropping all your pellets in. I'm just going to drop a couple just for video's sake. So fill it all the way up, all the way around. Once you're done, cap goes back on facing the same way. There are going to be two standoffs that'll make it so it has to go on the right way. So if you're fighting it for too long, it's probably just flipped around. Just make sure the fin matches up and the standoffs match up. And then this little black half moon piece again, just clicks around twice, completely opposite, then you're good to go. From there, putting it into the gun, make sure your action is back, and then this piece is going to go around the the brass piece inside the barrel. So kind of at an angle, clicks down into place, and then you're good to go. Once you close the action, it'll be loaded. Congratulations on your new FX Impact M3. We hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions along the way, you can reach out to us through text, email, phone call. You can find help on this channel as well. So whatever you got to do, get a hold of us, and we'll make sure we get it made right for you guys.